In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your ICE token from OKX exchange into your Trust wallet or any other wallet you want to withdraw it to. And this is a video responding to one of your questions under the comment section. So if you have any question or you want me to do any video on anything regarding cryptocurrency or anything at all, make sure you drop it under the comment section. I'm going to reply to it. So it's pretty simple to withdraw your ICE token from OKX exchange into your Trust wallet. So all you have to do is, the first thing you need to do is come to your Trust wallet. Make sure you come and copy your ICE token address, wallet address. So go to search for ICE under Binance Smart Chain. All right, you can see ICE Binance BNB Smart Chain. So this is it. Click on receive and copy. Click on copy. So once you've copied it, then you go to OKX exchange. So for me, I personally don't use OKX exchange too much like that. I use Binance and Bybit. All right, so that is why I see no need to download OKX app on Play Store. So but for you, you might want to download the OKX app on either Google Store, Google Play Store, or Apple Store, right? So, and the first thing you need to do is, if you are still new, you have to register on OKX exchange. So, or probably log in if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account, I'm going to leave my affiliate link in the description section of this video. So when you use that link to register on OKX, we both get rewards. You get rewards for me introducing you to OKX exchange, and also get rewards for introducing you as well. So once you have registered, then go ahead and log in. So once you have logged in, this is how it's going to look like on the mobile version here. So the first thing you want to do is come to this place. So you can see this place I'm hovering on, right? This is your profile icon. So click on it once you've logged in. Then the first thing you want to do is click on assets. So I'm going to click on assets. Then go to my asset, click on my asset. All right, it's actually pretty simple. So now, yeah, good. No, so now you can see it. So from here, you're going to see all your assets. Like I told you, I don't use OKX exchange like that. So once you are on the assets page this way, click on withdraw. You can see it. Click on withdraw, because you want to withdraw from OKX exchange into your personal wallet. All right, into your non-custodial wallet. So now, as you can see, it has brought the withdrawal page. So what you want to do here is click on crypto, on select crypto to withdraw. So click on this place, then click search for the token you want to withdraw. So in our own case, we want to withdraw ICE token. So I'm going to click on ICE. Then the next thing is ask you select withdrawal method. So you can see on chain, because everything we want to do is we want to transfer out. Remember, you want to transfer from your OKX exchange account into your personal wallet. So you are transferring that ICE token out of OKX. So you're going to click on chain. But if it is just from maybe from your trading account to your personal account, or all those internal transfer within the OKX exchange, then you're going to leave it as internal. But now we're choosing on chain. All right, so the next thing, you click on next. So now you can see it's asking for ICE address or domain. That is the address we have copied from Trust Wallet. So I'm just going to paste it here now. All right, now you can see that immediately I posted it, it's brought out the select the ICE withdrawal, and it brought out the network that is on the ICE blockchain, I mean on the BSC, Binance Smart Chain blockchain, you can see that. So but if your own didn't break it, I'll just click on this place. All right, then you're going to select it, but you can see so it has been suspended already. Now why? Simply because it is not yet listed on OKX exchange. It's going to be listed this morning around 11 a.m. Nigerian time or 10 a.m. UTC time. All right, so and that is why you can see it is not. So once you have done this, the next thing is you will definitely put in the value of ICE token you want to send out. Probably depends on you whether you want to send 500 or you want to send 1000. You get the point. So then the next thing is you click on send. But if you have some let's say, of course, you need to enter your password or trading password or whatever, and you just send it to your wallet. And that's all, guys. So what I'm going to do now is is that since withdrawal is suspended for now, but I needed to do this video for some of you that are always in haste to do this immediately after it is listed. That was why I had to do this video for you. But what I'm going to do is, once it is listed, I will also ensure that I do another video to show you how I'm going to withdraw some of my own ICE token to my trust wallet as well, so that you see how it goes. So if this video is helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video and share it with your friend, at least one friend. And also, if you have any other thing that I have not covered or that you want me to talk about regarding crypto sales, affiliate, anything that related to or that is related to what I'm doing on this channel, make sure you drop it under the video, under the comment section of this video. All right, so thank you very much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any of my crypto tips content like this. Thanks for watching.